was really amazing, honestly. The turnout, the feedback was so good. Yeah, really enjoyed writing poetry for people today.
It's just like there's family, there is self, like what, who am I, to try to figure myself out. Yeah, clarity, communication, strength, power.
We've had so many different guests come our way, and listening to their stories and transforming that into a keepsake for them and seeing their smiles.
She passed her Form 5 and 6 in Uganda, and she's going to go to Cape Town for her university studies. So, Banisa, I love you.
It's been a beautiful day sharing poetry with so many people. Seeing people being open to wanting to know more about it is more than enough.